Assalamualaikum children, how are you all? Hope you all are fine. Again we are back with English subject. See the pictures, fill in the blanks with these O words. In our previous video, which words we have written children? We have written I sound words, and today we are going to do O sound words. Okay? See here in the box also you can see O sound words. Read the words. BOX box, COT cot, FOX fox, LOG log, DOT dot, MOP mop, POT pot. By using these words, by using this O sound words, we have to write them here in the given places. After writing that, we can see the complete sentence. Okay? So, let's do this children. What is the picture? See the picture and tell me what it is. Cot. What is this? Cot. The cot. But in the cot, what is there? Can you see? Tell me. Box. There is a box in the cot. So, the box is in the cot. We can write like this here. Okay. So, use the word box box from here. Write here box box. The box. Is in the box is in the cot. COT cot. Okay. See the next picture now. What is this? Fox. This is fox, and what is this? Log. This is log. Log and fox. So what we can do here? The fox is on the log. We can complete the sentence like this. After the, we can write fox, FOX. Fox. Here, you can use the word from here. The fox, is on, the fox is on the log. 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 Okay, the sentence is completed now. See the next one. See the next. What you can see here? This is a dot. What is this? Dot. So, THIS. This IS is a. This is a DOT dot. Use the word from here. DOT dot. Okay. See the next. See the picture and tell me what you can see. MOP. This is mop and this is pot. Mop and pot. So what we can do here? We can write the mop is near the pot. Okay. Or else we can write the pot is near the mop. We can switch the words also. See, the mop is near the pot. We will write first mop. M-O-P. Mop. THE. The MOP mop. The mop. IS is NEAR. Near. The mop is near. THE. The POT pot. Write the word POT. Pot. The mop is near the pot. So these sentences are completed now. Once again we will read them children. THE. The BOX box. The box. IS is in. THE. The box is in the COT cot. The box is in the cot. See the next word. See the next sentence. THE. The FOX fox. The fox. is on. THE. The fox is on the LOG log. The fox is on the log. See the next sentence. THIS. This. is. This is a DOT dot. This is a dot. See the next sentence children. THE. The MOP mop. The mop. is NEAR. Near. The mop is near. THE. The POT pot. The mop is near the pot. So these are the sentences of O vowel, O sound words. So we have written this children. You can see even the sight words are also there. So the sight words and the O sound words complete and make the sentence. Okay. So this also do it in your homework and send it to me. Thank you all.